Okay, here we go.
Oakcrest is a place where girls receive a very personal and very deep education.
We chose the school because the values of the school are the same as that we have in our family.
It's the entire program, academics, counseling, the notion of going to chapel, the whole thing. It's been a wonderful experience for us.
They're extremely well prepared academically.
Academic excellence at Oakcrest means a liberal arts curriculum that also weave into every classroom virtues and leadership skills.
Our liberal arts curriculum helps each student to understand that there's a breadth of knowledge in this world, and we're not afraid to discover that.
You take that kind of broad study from chemistry, where she's working on empirical experiments that have direct answers, to religious studies where you're really talking philosophically about issues of the day. It just shows me how we're helping her get her mind opened up.
The love and the care that the teachers show for the girls really comes through.
I'm not just teaching math. I am teaching my students how to become successful young women in everything they do.
Teachers are your friends too, so you can really go to them if you have trouble with something, and teachers are there for you.
You can tell they really care about you. They really want to help you. They really want to make sure you can do it.
We like the small class, small community nature of the school.
I love at Oakcrest that teachers and students can really get to know each other. I've seen that my teachers are able to recognize what my strengths and weaknesses are and can really challenge me to be the best student that I can be.
The advising program, I think, is one of the unique features because you get that non-parental one-on-one.
Every girl here is known. No one gets lost. That advisor gets to know each girl in a very personal, individual way to help her blossom.
We are whole persons. We are body, mind, and soul. And Oakcrest speaks to that in each girl.
Everyone has a vocation. And I think that's one thing that they figure out at Oakcrest, that no matter what they do in life, they're called to do something.
Girls feel very free. There is an atmosphere of it's safe to figure out who you are.
If I was a pharaoh, you give me lots of gold.
Here, I think the girls feel comfortable taking risks because there's no fear of judgment. I think that's really important.
I'd be ruling Egypt while I sit upon my throne.
Oakcrest students have solid beliefs that build a solid foundation for them when they go out into the world.
The girls have the opportunity for daily mass, and in terms of the development of faith, the administration and the faculty are such wonderful role models. That is a huge gift that you can't get anywhere else.
Oakcrest helps you in virtue, helps you to be virtuous.
The spirituality combined with serious academics and then serious sports.
They provide plenty of opportunities for the arts, extracurriculars, all of that.
And the musicals, and it really takes into account the whole of who you are.
Our students are the most confident students I've ever met.
When I left Oakcrest School, I was adventurous, well-educated, well-formed, and ready to face the world.
Oakcrest has a history. The school has churned out women who've done wonderful things.
MIT, Princeton, they've gone to some amazing schools, so academically the girls are really ready.
I know a lot of former graduates of Oakcrest who are now at top universities studying science, engineering, future doctors.
Oakcrest definitely prepared me, being able to read and write very well, and as well as the philosophy and moral theology classes that you take senior year, something that you'll definitely carry with you throughout the rest of your life.
Parents who entrust their daughters to us see the beauty of growing in wisdom and virtue when they come here. and hopefully they become good leaders that affect positive changes wherever they go.
They should be people who are not afraid to have creative and interesting ideas, people who are willing to take risks, who are actually going to make whatever place they're in a better place because they've been there.
The unique thing about this school is in such a small setting, she's building bonds that I think are going to last her for a lifetime.
I've made a lot of really good friendships here, and I know that I'll have those friendships for the rest of my life.
Hold on to me as we go.
Every day is a great day here. I never really have a bad day.
As we roll down this unfamiliar road.
Everyone feels like sisters to each other. At least I feel like sisters to everyone in my class because we're all so close.
Everyone here just like encourages you, and you can really be just yourself.
Though you're not alone.
Oh yeah, it definitely is such a family.
So I'm gonna make this place your home.
I'm so lucky that I got to go to Oakcrest.
Settle down, it'll all be clear.
Oakcrest School changes girls for the better.
Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear.
They know what's good. They're not afraid of confronting the real world.
When I left Oakcrest, I was strong.
If you get lost, you can always be found.
Oakcrest allows them to learn to know themselves so that when they leave here, they can go out there and defend their values.
Oakcrest really encourages you to think critically, to form your own opinions. I'm different now because I feel like I don't try to just fit into a crowd and do, you know, what my friends think would be cool.
Happiness in life is all about knowing oneself. What are my aptitudes, my God-given talents? What am I going to contribute to the world?
I think I might want to be a doctor.
I'm looking at performing arts, which I'm interested in.
I want to be an endocrinologist.
Or teach science.
I want to find a cure for diabetes.
Minoring in music.
That's my dream.
Becoming a doctor is definitely in the realm of possibility for me, and Oakcrest has definitely taught me that.
There's a vision here that is shared with the girls. You know, you're headed to go and make a big difference in this world, and a young heart loves those big ideas.
Settle down, it'll all be clear.
They're given the big ideas here, and then they're given the tools to achieve them, which is priceless.
I have lots of things I want to be when I grow up, but I do want to be a good, holy woman. That's the main goal.
If you get lost, you can always be found.
Faith is important.
Just know you're not alone.
At Oakcrest, I'd say I've grown so much closer to God.
Young women who are educated this way, they're building their lives on truth, and that is a guarantee for a happy life.
They care about the whole person here. It's not just the academic rigor. They care about the soul of my daughter. That's why it's awesome.
Oakcrest has taught me to embrace the challenges that come my way, to meet those challenges in college and beyond.
When she leaves Oakcrest School, she will be a true leader in every sense of the word, one that attracts others to the good.
I've seen what happens to the girls. They grow up, their characters develop, and they become incredibly mature,
confident,
unbelievably poised,
virtuous,
well-spoken young women.
They're intelligent, they're interesting, they're fun, but they're good. And we need good women in this world. Men need good women to lead them to good places.
Oh.